Hey everyone, it's your girl Kateria Knows, back with another video. Welcome, 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 and thank you guys so much for being here. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the new moon in Libra, and I'm going to be giving you guys 8 tips on how to get the most out of this new moon. Definitely you're going to want to stay to the end because I am going to give a bonus tip at the end of the video. So nevertheless, this new moon is taking place on the 28th of September. It's happening at 5 degrees of Libra, and it is a very beautiful new moon because the sign Libra is a very beautiful sign, but it does have its challenges. Okay, so when it comes to this new moon that is taking place this weekend, actually, we do have a couple of challenging aspects. So the new moon is going to be making a square to the north node in Cancer, the south node in Capricorn, Saturn in Capricorn, as well as Pluto in Capricorn. Yeah, so I'm going to just kind of run this down. The new moon making these squares is going to challenge us to really rise up to our higher selves and to make sure that the people that are around us are aligned with the higher notion of who we are and who we are becoming. If they are not in alignment, they are going to have to go away, and new people are going to have to come in. And hopefully you guys have been making a way for new people to come in with the full moon in Aquarius and the full moon in Pisces, helping us to get rid of chaos and get rid of doubt and fear. And now the new moon in Libra should be bringing new experiences, but these new experiences may have certain challenges with them. You know, you may even feel like you are trying to do certain works with a person, but there's challenges with the work that you guys are doing. But the challenges that you guys may face with the work that you are doing is going to show you guys how you guys could collaborate in a more efficient and effective ways. You may even have certain dealings happening within business and within family, experiences that you have never experienced with other people, and you're having to figure out, how do I actually approach this person with this particular issue? You know, how do I deal with the fact that this person deals and thinks in the way that they do? You know, is this person, me working with this person, is this going to sabotage the great reputation that I have created for myself? You know, all of these kinds of questions are going to come up. You're going to even feel like, you know, I've always been wanting to work with this person for so long, or and now I finally get this opportunity, or this person is so famous and I hope that they can find value in collabing with me, and I hope that they don't feel that us collabing is going to diminish their light, so on and so forth. There's so much going on with partnerships, collaborations, and business because of, you know, the fact that it's a Libra new moon and because of all the Capricorn influences. Now when it comes to family and home, you may be finding issues and conflicts when it comes to dealing with certain family members, and even new experiences with your family members, or even moving into a new home. There could be certain issues with contracts, agreements, and these types of things. Now, when it comes to emotions, you also may be called to express your emotion in a particular type of a way that may be feeling kind of weird or new, or just a new ground that, you know, you are just not really familiar with. But I definitely want to encourage you guys to push past all of the challenges that you may experience with this particular new moon, because it's only helping to build you. These are not experiences that is just like so totally horrible that you just are at a lost cause or anything like that. These are experiences that are helping build character, helping actually build relationships. You know, it's really helping us to be able to be vulnerable to our partner and allow our partner to exchange and express with us their level of emotional experiences that they may be feeling. So this is a beautiful time, a beautiful experience. The Libra new moon is going to be making some favorable aspects is making a sextile to Jupiter in the sign of Sagittarius. So this is great for travel. This is great for connecting with people in some type of a collaboration for travel to happen, to see a lover that may be at a bit of a distance and to communicate with them and connect with them and all of that. Also, the Libra New Moon will be making a conjunction to Mercury as well as Venus. So this is awesome for relationships, awesome for business partnerships, communicating your ideas across, and feeling as though you're being loved, appreciated, and the love that you put out is being reciprocated. All of these kinds of things. This is great for women collabing with one another, socializing and speaking about how they're going to make new impactful changes in the world and just bringing people together. I'm really excited about this. Also, I want to share with you guys that Queen Afua, Queen Esther, myself, and Sacred Woman Africa are joining together, and we are going to Kemet in February, and this is going to be phenomenal. Women coming together, empowering one another, as well as everybody around us, our community in general, going to Kemet and just experiencing the great land and doing a sacred woman work on the great lands. I mean, it's phenomenal. Definitely check the description below for more information on that. It's definitely in alignment with this new moon in Libra. We're just now releasing that and letting that information get out there. So nevertheless, I'm going to jump into my 8 phenomenal tips on how you can get the most out of the new moon in Libra. Before I get into the 8 tips on how to get the most out of the new moon in Libra, I definitely want to encourage you guys, if this is your first time coming to my channel, definitely like, share, and subscribe if you find any of my content of any type of use. And to all of you who are watching the video, definitely like it, share it, and all of that. It definitely helps my channel and for me to continue to making these videos and this content for you guys. So let's jump into these tips. Make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'm going to be giving a bonus tip on this one, all right? So the first tip when it comes to getting the most out of the new moon in Libra is that you are going to want to learn some negotiation skills. Yes, Libra is an air sign. It's all about communication. And with the squares that we have with this particular moon, when it comes to the square of the North Node and Saturn and Pluto and the South Node, there are going to be challenges, but you want to take these challenges upon yourself and master these negotiating skills and master the other, themes and energies of Libra and the other signs that I just mentioned. It's going to be very powerful if you do that. For my second tip, when it comes to the new moon in Libra, you are going to want to take it upon yourself to understand other people more. You want to understand, you want to listen, you want to learn what it means to be an understanding person overall. And this is perfect timing for you to feel understood by another person. Give it that your Mercury is in at a square or what have you to this moon, yet and nevertheless, this is a great time for understanding, giving and receiving the energy of understanding. The third tip is to learn how to compromise. Yes, with the challenging aspects, we're going to really have to activate that compromisation, and you want to learn how to compromise with other people without losing yourself and without, diminishing your own right and your own truth. And you want to appreciate the energy of others and what they're bringing into your life with learning how to compromise. It's very powerful with this new moon and all of the other energies that are surrounding it. For the fourth tip with the new moon in Libra, you're going to want to open yourself up to new relationships. Yes, the new moon in Libra is all about new relationships with other people, romantic relationships, partnerships, even friendships. So open yourselves up to new relationships and open yourselves up to understanding relationships on a whole nother level. Because of the challenging aspects, you get a chance to learn about relationships from a much deeper perspective. So take it upon yourself to open yourself up to new relationships, embrace them, and learn from them. For the fifth tip, when it comes to this new moon, It's all about collaborations, yes, and partnerships. This is a time that you want to reach out to that person you've been wanting to collab with, because they're going to be more open and more receptive to collabing with you. Yes, reach out to whoever you've been wanting to talk to and connect with. This is your most opportune time to do some form of a collaboration and come into some form of a partnership with this new moon. It's so exciting to do this because other people are going to see what you're doing and they're going to just love what you're doing, and they're going to say it's going to inspire other people to come together a lot more, and what that other person is going to bring to the table to what you're doing is going to boost what you're doing more right now than any other time. It's not going to boost you if this was the season of Aries. In the season of Aries, we need to do things by ourselves. But with this being the season of Libra, you want to do things with other people, collab with other people, because it's going to feed what you do. You get a chance to reach out to their networks. They get a chance to reach out to yours. You guys just get to build, and grow. For my sixth tip when it comes to this new moon is that you want to be very considerate of others. And all of these tips, you guys, that I'm giving you, if you actually listen to them, take heed to them, and apply them in your life, you're going to receive good karma from the universe. Just because you're aligned with the universe, you are going to receive good karma with it. So yeah, the new moon in Libra, the sign Libra, is all about consideration and being considerate of others. So take it upon yourself to be a bit more considerate about what another person has going on in their life, and just their energy and what you could bring to the table, and just listen a lot more with this new moon and with these considerations. For my seventh tip with the new moon in Libra, since this is the season of relationships, right? But it's not just romantic relationships, okay? It's about partnerships. So you want to take it upon yourself to readjust your partnerships. The people that you have around you, the people that are partners in different areas of your life, you guys want to bring forth new ideas to your partnerships, and fortify the partnership a lot more, and consider the partnership and see what value you guys are bringing to each other, and make some adjustments, and just bring new things into the partnership of how you guys are partnering with each other. This is going to be very powerful with the energy of this new moon. For my eighth tip, this new moon is all about the law. Yes, Libra rules the law because it's all about justice and peace. Take it upon yourself to learn different things about the law, and you will see that there are new laws coming around this time. And if you don't take it upon yourself to see different things that are coming, with the law, you may be in violation and you may cause certain issues to yourself. But if you learn a little simple rule, there could even be rules or new laws that are embedded or something that could actually benefit you, because it's a new moon and new moons are beneficial to us. So there may be something that you are not doing in your life because you may think that, oh, it's against the law, or this is not going to work in my favor, and it actually will work in your favor. But when it comes to law, you want to think about universal laws, and make sure you are applying the universal laws to your life, your own laws, your bylaws, writing new bylaws to your business and your corporations, all of these kinds of things, just law in general, and seeing how the law in your life and the bylaws that you write for yourself and the laws of everything around you, how it's working with you and how you can actually benefit a lot more. A lot of these young entrepreneurs and business owners, they don't go after certain things because they feel that the law is not in alignment, or that they won't be able to benefit or something like that, and it's actually not true. So take it upon yourself to just kind of brush yourself up on things that are happening within the law, because you never know, you could be at a major benefit at this time. All right, you guys, if you have stayed this long, I am going to give you a little special treat, and this is my bonus tip. Before I do, I want to encourage you guys to definitely like, share, and subscribe. It definitely helps this channel and keeps me in a position to continue to put good content out there for you guys. And yes, so nevertheless, to no further ado, for the bonus tip, for this new moon in Libra, you want to do new things to bring forth balance, harmony, peace, and beauty in your life. Yes, because these are all things of Libra. You want to take it upon yourself to enhance your beauty. If you've been thinking about doing a certain beauty treatment on yourself, this is the best time to do so. Because, like, you know, when Mercury retrogrades, which is going to in the next few weeks or so, it's not going to be a good time to do beauty treatments. But right now, with the new moon in Libra, it is an awesome time to do that. So go on ahead and do that. Bring balance and harmony in your life. Feng shui your space. You know, make sure things are even and it's this what is it, symmetry? I cannot say that word. I know y'all be laughing at me every time I try. But feng shui your space, put the balance into it, infuse it. You know, this is going to be very helpful to aligning yourself, once again, with the universe so that more things can open up to you. When we are open to the universe, when we are aligned with the universe, it opens up more cosmic doors for us to reap greater rewards from it. This is so imperative and impeccable, you guys. I cannot stress this enough. So align with the energy of the new moon in Libra, bring in those new relationships, rejoice, have peace, be considerate, be appreciative, you know, be of harmony, and just be of love. Find you a cuddle buddy for this cuddle season. That's what cuddle season is all about. It's cupcaking season. Libra is all about the partner. It's time to cupcake and enjoy. Peace, divine light, and love to you guys. I'm Kateria Knows, and I'm checking out.